Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your piano teacher. If you want to find out more about me, I'm leaving the link of the introduction video of this channel in the description of this video. Now let's go to our lesson today. Today I want to play The Lonely Road, is the B3 piece from the Piano Exam Pieces ABRSM Grade 1 for the 2019 and 2020. Now, this Lonely Road is one of the pieces that many students are studying for these, from this syllabus for this Grade 1 exam. I'm going to first of all play and then explain a few things, few technical problems that some of the students could have studying this one. I will first of all play at its official speed. Let's check always, 108. Oh, I have to definitely change the setting, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and voila, it's enough. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Et voila! This was The Lonely Road from Felix Swinstead, the B3 piece, played at his official speed, andante at 108. Now I'm trying to play again slowly, a bit slower than now obviously, to explain even more later few problems, few things that you might find not that easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, stop. Now, there are few problems. For example, I notice quite often that some students shorten this note, so keep it down instead of 3 counts, 2 counts, and then play immediately the A. Remember that this is a dotted meaning. 3 counts you play the A on the 4th count, same as this G. Some student, I don't know why, shorten and reduce to 2 counts, playing this one here on the 3rd count, the E. And is something that happened also here, in the 4th bar of the 3rd line. And these are usually the problems. Obviously, if you want to play very well this Lonely Road, you should respect strictly all the phrase marks. And always try to notice that, and reproduce obviously also, that you see that the first phrase starts on the 4th count. You have to play smoothly these notes up to the third count. You breathe a little bit, you release a little bit the E, and then you play it again in the beginning of the fourth count, holding up to the third count. You play again on the fourth, playing legato up to the third. You see that the phrases until now they're all starting on the fourth count, fourth count, fourth count, fourth count, and ending all of them on the third count, on the third count, because this is 3 counts, on the third count, on the third count. This is something that gives a very interesting articulation to the phrasing, yeah? Except at this point where you end the phrase on the fourth count, then you play the left hand, then you start again. On the fourth count and end on the third, except the ending again. So it's quite interesting. Play respecting all the phrase mark, all the legato. I want to show you 1 second what do I mean saying that you have to play correctly this phrasing. Look at my hands. Now I'm playing the first phrase, the one that is played by the right hand. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Obviously this is quite exaggerated, it's a bit too much, but doesn't matter. It's just to let you know that you release on 3 and then you play again on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. I think that it's more than enough now. It's clear what I mean. Obviously something that requires lots of time is obviously is for advanced levels. Usually this kind of way of playing, this very strict respect of the score. I like to always suggest to my students to respect strictly all they find on the stave. In this way you will improve even more your technical skills in general. Before we end, I'd like to remind you the meaning of RALL is rallentando. It means that you have to slow down by degree, so slowly you end up, instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, you will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Respect also all the crescendo and diminuendo that you will find, and that's it. It's a very nice piece, this one. If there is any question, feel free to ask me, to comment. I hope you will enjoy my video, you will find useful. For me it's enough today. Thank you very much for watching. See you, bye.